Hi, it's Mr. Anderson, and today I'm going to talk about waves. Our lives are dominated by waves. Right now you're listening to me, and so you're picking up sound waves from the speakers in your computer. Since you're watching me, that's electromagnetic waves. If you're listening to this on Wi-Fi, then you're using radio waves to pick up that signal. So what is a wave? A wave, if we define it, is simply a disturbance that moves through space and time. It's a good way to take energy or information and move it from point A to point B. So waves are really important, but there are a few properties that you need to understand about waves before you really get it. First of all, you should understand that waves come in two different flavors. There's transverse waves and longitudinal waves. Transverse waves, an example of that, if you were to tie a string to a tree and then just move the string up and down, you'd be creating a transverse wave. How does that work? Well, the string would be moving up and down, but the wave would actually be traveling perpendicular to that. And since this is perpendicular motion, we call that transverse wave. And this does kind of look like a T on its side, and so that's a good way to remember what a transverse wave is. A longitudinal wave, an example of that would be the sound you're listening to. It doesn't oscillate perpendicular to the motion, it actually oscillates in the direction of the motion. And so this video shows you some longitudinal waves. What's happening? Well, the oscillation is in this direction and the motion is in this direction as well. And so that's a longitudinal wave. It could be like this in water waves, or it could be air waves as well. But that's a longitudinal